In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of getting an API key from Google AI Studio. It's actually very simple. First, go to your browser's address bar and type studio.google.com, then hit enter. Once the website loads, look at the bottom left corner and click on Get API Key. Any API keys you've already created will appear in this window. To generate a new one, click the Create button at the top right. You can now enter a name for your new key. The name doesn't matter too much, so I'll just call this one Test. Next, click the drop-down next to Projects and choose the project you want this API key to be linked with. If needed, you can also create a brand new project. I'll select my Gemini project here. After that, click Create Key. Within a few seconds, your new API key will be generated. You'll then see all the details related to your project. Click on Key on the left-hand side, and it will show all your API key information. To copy your key, simply click the copy icon next to it and paste it wherever you need it. If you click the 3 vertical dots on the right side, you'll find options to rename or delete your keys as well. And that's all there is to it. Let me know in the comments if this tutorial helped you out.